Spellbind by Margaret Morales in 50 by 66 cm rounds. Special treatment version 1 starts with fire opal that is sprinkled on the underside of her hat. So simply sprinkle it in those areas. Spellbind by Margaret Morales in 50 by 66 cm rounds. Special treatment version 2 now adds gold crystals that we sprinkle on the gold areas on this picture. So in this case, you can choose to place it over on the areas where we've placed it. You can also actually add some over here if you'd like. And remember, you're not actually sprinkling it onto the canvas, but you are sticking it onto the canvas with your drill pen. The sprinkle term that we use is simply to show you that you have freedom to place them in certain areas based on the color and based on how you would like it to sparkle. So simply choose the areas you would like to have a lot of the gold sparkle, and you can do what we've done here, or you can focus just, for example, on this section of her dress or this section of her coat, or do a more even sprinkle like what we've done in this picture. So this is for version 2. Spellbind by Margaret Morales in 50 by 66 cm round. Special treatment version 3 now adds pink quartz that we have sprinkled on all of the purple areas on the picture. So this would include her dress as well as the large purple flowers that surround her. So simply sprinkle it in all purple areas except for any purple areas that you may see on her face. So we just focus on the background. And this should give you version 3 together with gold crystals as well as fire opal.